In this quick video, I'm going to show you the measurements of the output shaft of the T96. This happens to be a T96 1A. So it might be different for another transmission. But and also a quick review of this seal because it's from China. So first of all, there's a number there, 38, and then the number there, 60. So this is a 38. These are very simple, which is what I really like about them. Very simple to find. There's no part numbers. 38 millimeters is the inner diameter of the seal, or the outer diameter of the shaft, and 60 is the outer diameter of the seal. This is a 3860 seal. And then the width doesn't really matter, but I think it's like maybe 10 millimeter. I'm not sure, but this seal has lasted quite a while. I think I put it maybe about 2 years ago, maybe more. I think maybe more, but and I think it costs like under $10. And it doesn't drip, there's no leakage, it works great. Again, that's a 3860 or a Borg Warner T96, happens to be on the Rambler American 1963.